so good. It's raining Orbeez on you, Anya.
Trillion, right?
This is a cool experience ever. Orbeez party, love. I'm gonna put some lipstick. Girls, since you really, really love Orbeez, look what we got for you. A giant Orbeez bathtub. I can't wait. Jump on in, girls.
Elsia, can I jump with you? Yes, you can hold my hand. You're gonna go underwater. Then close your eyes. Okay. Mommy, we're jumping.
Yes, we're looking.
2, 1. Okay. Go. Hey, wait, Elsia. That was fun.
This is so much fun. You could swim. This is so big. You have space
and
for
I
everything.
finally learned how to swim, Mommy.
Yeah, this is. You could practice swimming in here with the Orbeez.
Yeah, but Mommy, did you forget? I already learned how to swim.
Yes, good job. I'm very proud of you. Now you could have fun since you know how to swim. Woohoo!
Hey, Anya, do you want to play with me? Yes, sure.
Are you
this
okay,
is
Anya?
where you fall. Of course I'm okay. Elsia, go try it. Okay. And when I slide down the slide, I am going to make a big splash, and I'm also gonna go underwater. Okay, Mommy?
All right, I'm gonna move over.
We're back, so I can go even faster. Well, this is too fast.
Elsia.
Here I go.
Yay! You did
I
it.
told you I was going underwater, but I didn't really make a big splash. But it's okay. Mommy,
Yes?
you might not fit on the slide. Is there a bigger one?
Well, I'll just try.
Okay. I hope you don't break the slide.
Actually, I'm gonna slide on my back. Here I go.
Go, Mommy, go!
Elsa, you gotta try it.
Mommy, please try it. Yes, Elsa,
I
you're the
don't think
queen.
I should try it. But
Go,
just
Mommy, go!
go.
Come on, guys, let's push hard.
No.
Go! Wasn't that fun, Mommy?
It was good. I tried it again. Let's go together. I can sit in your lap. Isn't that a good idea? Sure, let's go.
And Anya, you can sit in my lap.
All right.
Okay.
You can come. Hold me tight. I don't want to fall off the edge. You can go next, girls.
Okay, we're waiting.
Here we
in
go.
line here.
Now let's watch the kids.
Okay, I'm gonna stay here. Here, Anya, now go in my lap. Okay.
Elsia, Anya, Elsia,
Okay, this is
Anya.
gonna be scary. Yeah, but what if I slip on you? Oh, you already like water slides. You know that. Okay. Here I go. No, wait, that wasn't ready.
Oh, girls, you're so loud.
I wasn't ready. That's why I screamed.
Are you screaming a lot because this is so much fun?
Yeah. Mommy, Elsia, watch me dive in the water.
We're not gonna watch Anya because we're coming too.
Elsie, aren't you coming? No. Yes, of course I want to come.
Okay,
Let's dive together.
let's get ready.
Here we go, Mommy.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
That was so much fun.
Now Orbeez party.
Mommy, I think I'm drowning. Tickle, tickle, tickle. You scared me. I was actually joking, but then Elsie
Girls,
scared
come on.
me.
It's a party in the Orbeez. It's a party in the Orbeez. Girls, we're gonna take out the water so we could see how clear the Orbeez are and how pretty, and then we'll enjoy it even better.
Okay, let's do it. But how do we do it?
Well, I know how to do it. I'm gonna go do it. Stay here. There's a plug under, and I'm gonna go. I did it, girls! Wow, look how clear they are now. They're so pretty.
Yeah, they're so heavy too. And now we don't need a swim, Mommy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Mommy.
I know this song, and it's called Oh Yeah, like this. Oh yeah.
Mommy, do you like our necklace?
Wow, they're so pretty. It looks like they're made of Orbeez.
There's an egg-shaped one. Look,
Whoa.
see, Mommy?
Look, this is like an oval. It's so big.
Is that an egg? Let me take that.
I'm gonna put some lipstick. Wait, why am I putting blue lipstick? Which color should I?
Red is
This
the
one,
best.
purple. Cause my lips look kind of purple. Let's relax. Buried in the Orbeez. This is a cool experience ever. It's like we're in an Orbeez wonderland.
I was under the Orbeez.
Just look around. Wow. Everything is beautiful.
Mommy, can
Yes?
we swim in the Orbeez? We
Sure.
never tried
Let's
swimming.
splash them around. Woo! No, like this, girls. Woo! Woo!
Can I jump? I'm gonna go under the Orbeez.
Orbeez party, Orbeez party. La 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 la.
Whee!
Orbeez party, la la la.
This
la,
is
la,
all?
la, la. Which do you like better? Do you like the Orbeez with the water or without water? I like
the
it
water.
I like it like this.
Well, I like it with the water.
But I like them because
without the water. Fine, without the water.
girls, see? And you could jump and it doesn't even hurt. That's the best part.
Here I go. I got more. There, you're all buried. Anya, I'm sorry. Where did you go? Mommy, mommy, mommy.
What is it,
I
Elsia?
buried Anya. Now I don't know where she is. What's this? A pink crown. It's Anya.
Okay, now let's have fun. Woo! Orbeez party. Yeah, Orbeez party. Splash them. It's
Orbeez
raining,
party.
girls. Woo!
Orbeez party.
It's raining. It's raining with the Orbeez.
Claus bringing Orbeez. What? Elsia, can you splash me with Orbeez? Okay, I will. Elsia, put it now. Put it now. Okay. Yay! The Orbeez are falling on me. I'm sinking.
It's raining Orbeez on you, Anya.
I know.
I'm gonna put some on you too. Woo!
And on me too. Yes, you too, Elsia.
Girls, let's spring them up into the air like this. Woo!
It's like a salad. Toss it.
Toss the salad.
Whee!
Toss the salad. Woo! It's not a salad, Elsa. I know, I'm just pretending. Fine. Woo! How many Orbeez do you think there are here, girls?
I think 100. Oh, don't be silly, Anya. There's 1 gazillion, 1 billion, 1 kabillion, 1 trillion, right, Mommy?
Well, quite not that much, girls. Let's try this. We're relaxing.
Orbeez can relax you, right, Mommy?
Yes, and you could also go inside like this. And only your head showing. So good.
This is like a big blanket, Mommy, and we're tucked in it.
But we don't need to relax anymore. We need to have fun. Orbeez are awake.
It's enough.
I have a better idea. I have a button that will shake it like an earthquake, the whole bathtub.
Really, Mom?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go.
Here's a red one. Yeah.
All right, it should start to shake in 3, 2, 1.
Me too. Here we go. Whoa, whoa.
Do you like this earthquake? Whoa, Elsa!
Help me! I'm drowning. Gotcha.
How can you drown? There's no water. Wow! This is so much fun!
to live here. We're just kidding, but I want to come here tomorrow, just like you said.
Okay, I'm looking on my clock and it's time to go. It's too late. Yeah, let's go. Okay, be careful.
Help me, help me, help me, help me. Here, I'll help you.
It's a bit slippery, so be careful. Let's go. Whoa. Girls, come on, let's go change your swimming suit.
Whoa! Got you.
Okay, let's go in the dressing rooms and change into our clothes. Visit our channel and subscribe for more videos.